I asked a real freelance designer how much they would charge to create a complete handbag advertising campaign. 6 professional creatives, a hero product shot, festival poster, Instagram ad, story cover, shop banner, and more. Their quote, 15,000. So I took the exact same creative brief and gave it to an AI tool instead. Could it actually deliver work worth 15,000? That's exactly what we're about to find out. As we go, I'll also show you what a professional designer would typically charge for each individual creative. Let's see if this AI can actually compete with a professional designer. This video is sponsored by JXP AI, but everything you're about to see is a live, real test using the same phone photo, the same prompts, and the same creative requirements. I'm going to build all 6 of these live right now using GPT Image 2 on a free tool called JXP. Click the link in the description to go straight there yourself. Then click on AI image at the top of the page and select GPT Image 2 from the list. That's exactly where we are doing all of today's work. And before we jump in, every single prompt I use in this video along with the base photo itself is available for you in the description. This is my actual phone photo. No lighting setup, no tripod, cluttered background and all. Instead of text to image, I click on edit because I wanted to use this real photo as the reference. So I upload it right here. Then in the prompt box, I simply describe what I want, a clean studio quality version of this exact same bag. I set the aspect ratio to 1:1, bump the resolution up to 2K, quality to high and hit generate. Look at that. That's the same bag. Clean background, studio lighting, and it even carries our brand name now. That single shot alone is worth 2,500 from a designer. Now the hard part. Most AI tools completely fall apart when you ask them to add real text into an image. So let's actually test that. I take this same clean shot, upload it again in edit mode, and this time my prompt asks for a full festival sale poster. Brand name, discount, price, the works. I switch the aspect ratio to 4:5 for Instagram. Keep the quality on high since text need the sharpest setting to render properly and generate. Read that. House of Deep, Diwali sale, flat 40% off, starting at 1,499. Every word spelled correctly, every price accurate. This is the moment that actually separates a real tool from a gimmick. One more full build, same hero shot, uploaded again, this time asking for a scroll stopping Instagram ad. Square aspect ratio, generate, and that's ready to boost as a paid ad today with zero extra editing. You've seen the pattern now, so let's move fast. Same upload, same edit mode, just a new prompt and a new aspect ratio each time. 9:16 for the story cover, 16:9 for the shop banner. Story cover, done. Shop banner for signage, done. 2 more real usable pieces in under 30 seconds. Now this next one, I want to slow back down for, because honestly, this is the one that actually convinced me. I upload that exact same hero shot one more time, and this time my prompt only changes one thing, the background. Studio setting first, now a cozy home setup. Now outdoors with festival lighting, same bag, same branding, same little gold monogram every single time. That's not a lucky generation, that's the tool actually understanding the product. That's the difference between a gimmick and something you could genuinely run a business on. So here's everything side by side. 6 pieces. A designer would have charged 15,000 for exactly this. I built it live in under 10 minutes. This isn't AI is powerful. This is, if you run a small business, this is real money back in your pocket. If this just saved you 15,000, hit subscribe. I test one AI tool like this every few days so you don't have to pay for what AI can already do for you. I once used a free face swap AI to put myself on a TED Talk stage in front of thousands using just one photo. Click that video now to see exactly how.